In this video, you will see the process of installation of CYGWIN software on our Windows operating system. Before that, let's understand what CYGWIN is. CYGWIN is a free, open-source collection of Unix-like environment and a command line interface for Microsoft Windows. In this software, you don't have to install a full-fledged Linux operating system or even set up a virtual machine, because CYGWIN accommodates the environment of Linux Unix environment on our Windows operating system. And now, let's go ahead to our installation. This installation is for the Requirement in System Administration and Maintenance course. So, to access the download file for CYGWIN, just go to cygwin.com, which is the initial website for the software, and on your screen is the home page of that website. And we're gonna click on this link, and it will install an executable file in just seconds. And now here on my File Explorer, we can see our CYGWIN setup file. Now we're gonna right-click and run as administrator. You will see a setup program where it will be used for our initial installation of the CYGWIN environment in our Windows OS. We're gonna click Next, and here choose installation type, and we're gonna select Install from the internet since currently I don't have the resources in my directory, and just click Next. Now we're gonna select a root directory for the installation. The default is on the C drive, but I'm gonna change it on my documents under my Windows 11 directory. So on Browse and then your choice of directory and click Next. Here is selecting a local package directory where the setup files will go to. So it will be as it is, the default directory, or if you want to change a directory of your choice, just click Browse, and so if finish, let's click Next. Now selecting an internet connection, which in our case will be the default one, which is Use System Proxy Settings, and then click Next. So here's the progress where it will be initializing our setup. Now we can see various sites we can download from for our setup, and you can select any of the sites and just click Next. And here we're gonna see the progress again, and we'll wait to finish the downloading packages from the website. Now we are presented here with all of the default packages we need for our CYGWIN setup. You can also see the download for the full FAQ package, but for this setup I will be choosing the default one, which is in category, and at the bottom click Next. And now we can review all of the listed packages that we chose, and again we're just gonna click Next. And here we can see the progress of the installation of all of the listed packages that we chose before. Now for the last stretch. We can see here installation setup and create icons. And here if you want an easy access to the CYGWIN environment, you can have an icon to your desktop interface or even add CYGWIN to your start menu. And in my case, both are checked already. And also at the bottom part, we can see that the installation is fully completed. So I'm just gonna click Finish. Now, here in our desktop, we can see our installed CYGWIN terminal. So let's open the CYGWIN terminal by double-clicking. And now listed are a few of the paths, which is the bash file and its root path, its profile, and here we can see our default directory. I just organized my files in our user interface. And now let's continue, and for this part, we're just gonna set up by customizing our CYGWIN terminal. Let's open by double-clicking and then right-click, then click on Options, and for now, let's go to Text to customize the size of our font. Then click Select. Here, let's go for a font size of 14, then click Apply and OK, and again Apply, then let's save. You can see it got bigger, which targets user readability for easy engagement and access to our CYGWIN terminal. Now let's try executing a command in Linux. Let's do pwd, which is print working directory, which prints the path of the current working directory. So let's enter this command to our shell, so you can see that currently it is at my home directory. So let's check if it's the same in our file system. Let's see my C drive, and in users directory is the directory of Windows 11, where here we can see currently where our CYGWIN is. And that's it. We are done in our installation and setup of our CYGWIN environment in my Windows operating system. Thank you guys for staying till the end of this video.